Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel as well as my home. Many of you asked me to share my Diwali decoration with you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a little bit of DIY, and keep in mind guys that I live here in the state. I'm not exposed to many varieties as you guys are in India. So whatever I could find here, I decorate my house. So let's get started. We're gonna start at the main door. As you can see, I do have the two chairs here as well as the Lord Ganesha in the middle. It set the positive vibes before someone walk in, and it is so soothing and a perfect way to start any day. So I love this Lord Ganesha statue here. I bought this from Ross and it's made out of clay. I do have the flower next to him as well as the candle. Now this candle is battery operated, so I don't have to worry about catching fire or anything. I still have my fall decoration here as well as I put these two lanterns here. These are works on the solar, so there is no battery or anything required there, but it looks really nice at night time. And of course I had to have my fountain, and again this sound is so soothing. So once you walk into the main door, I do have this Tulsi plant here. This is the holy basil, and I'm so lucky that this time this plant did not dry out, because usually by this time our weather here gets extremely cold, and of course in that kind of weather the plant doesn't survive. But as you can see, this plant looks really nice and vibrant and fresh. I do have the candle there, and again this is the battery operated candle because our houses here is made out of wood, so I had to be very careful when I put any diya or anything. So battery operated candle is such a lifesaver right now. So I kept the bench here so the guest can be comfortable while taking their shoes off or wearing their shoes. And this side I did my Rangoli. Now as I mentioned before, I don't have much access to the Diwali decoration here in state. So whatever I found it, I did it, and there is a little bit of DIY here too. So as you can see, this diya, it was a plain diya. It's made out of clay and I bought it from Indian store. But then I decided to paint it, because if I would have buy it from Indian store, the decorative diya, it was really expensive. So I did this by myself and I put some fresh flower around it. And this Rangoli, I bought it from Indian festival we had a couple of weeks ago. So this is basically one big Rangoli, but you can break it, you can make the design however you like it. And it made out of plastic, so I'm sure it's gonna last me very long time. I love the color combination as well as the design. And again, I'm using this battery operated candle. It changed the colors. It looks really awesome at night time. And I'm sure in India you guys must have really good varieties, but this is what I found, and I think I'm happy with it because it's all worth it. It's gonna last a very long time. And one good thing about it, like I mentioned, it made out of plastic, so it doesn't scratch the wood, as well as if I would have made the Rangoli from the colors, the powder, of course it goes in the wood and just make a big mess. So this is perfect. Again, I made two diya and put the flower around it, so that this is how it looks like. I bought this two garland also from Indian festival and decided to put it inside instead of outside, because I still have my fall decoration out there. And since I have the Rangoli here, I decided to put it inside. And I also have these two glass windows, so even from outside it looks really nice. And I'm sure with the Rangoli, this is also gonna last me very long time. It is really well made. Love the color combination, and again, whatever I found it that day, I bought it, but I'm really happy with this too. So this is how my entrance looks like from inside, and actually my entire first floor, it feels so Indian-y right now. because with all this decoration and the diya, and I'm so happy, guys. I'm happy Diwali is here. It's a celebration time, and I love to decorate for the different festival, and of course Diwali is one of them. So here I have put some lights, and these are pineapple. One of my friend gifted me this, so I just put it here so it looks really nice again at night time. So now we are into my formal living area, and on this side I kept it again the way it is, but then this side, guys, it's so awesome. Aren't you guys agree with me? Leave the comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. I brought this again, Lord Ganesha, down here. It usually stay in my puja room, but then I decided to bring him down here. It is perfect, and again I put some fresh flower here. At night time it looks really nice because I do have this LED light around him, and the candle also, it works on the battery. So if you have the young kids, or if you are worried about catching the fire or anything, I would say go for the battery operated candle. And they are actually on timer, so every 4 hours basically they turn it off by itself. And this is how my entire first floor, the formal living as well as the entrance, looks like. So this is how my family room looks like right now. And first of all, we're gonna start with this ottoman here in the middle. As you can see, I do have this replica of houses, and yes, it is Christmassy looking, but it reminds me India, especially during the Diwali time, because everyone's house is decorated. It looks really nice from outside, and this piece is actually conversation starting piece. So I bought this from Home Goods, and it's very lightweighted. It lights up, so at night time it looks really nice. And it was not that expensive either. So if you are interested, I would say check at your local Home Goods, because this piece is really awesome. So I always keep this tree right here in the middle, but I just add the LED light in there, so at night time it looks nice. And check out the view, guys. This view is from our window, and it looks so awesome. And this is how my mantle look like. All I did is just add the LED light there. Because of the TV, I did not want to put anything there. But next to the fireplace, I do have this candle holder. Again, I bought this from Home Goods. The design is very Indian-y, and I loved it. So this candle also battery operated, as well as they are on timer, so it goes on and off by itself. And I do have this bowl in the middle. It is filled with the water, fresh flower, as well as the tea candle in the middle. I absolutely love this bowl because of the berry and the bird design on it. And this is very easy DIY. Anyone can do it. You can use any kind of bowl, but just add the fresh flower because it elevates the look. It's so festive, and I think this is my second most favorite out of all this. The first one, I would say, it's the Lord Ganesha in the formal living area, but leave the comments below, guys. Let me know which one you like it. And this is how this entire thing looks like. So while going up on the staircase, I put this garland, and yes guys, I know it is Christmassy, but to me it's a festival time, celebration time, it's a happy time, so why not, right? So this entire thing also lights up, and I'm gonna insert all the clip how it looks like at night time. But again, I love this piece also. So now we're gonna go into the kitchen, and on this breakfast nook I do have this water fountain. This fountain actually my brother gave it to me when he came very first time to my house. He gave me this. So I just add some fresh flower there, and this fountain also plays some music, but I love the soothing sound of water, as well as I kept one diya there. So I always keep diya where I can keep eye on it, and of course I'm always in the kitchen, so it was perfect to keep the diya here. So this is how my dining table looks like. I kept pumpkin salt and pepper shaker there, but just add the candle in the middle. I kept it very simple and sober, and now I'm gonna insert all the clips and show you how everything looks like at night time. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Leave the comments below, let me know which one was your favorite. I will be back soon with my another video. Till then, take care. Bye.